In this tutorial, we will learn how to combine logical expressions with parentheses in Python. In this code, we have three variables x, y, and z. We use the logical operator and to combine the two logical expressions. Note that we use parentheses to specify the order in which the expressions are evaluated. As you can see from the output, the logical expressions evaluate to true and the print statement is executed. Let's try another example. In this example, we use the logical operator OR to combine the two logical expressions. Again, we use parentheses to specify the order of evaluation. Since one of the conditions is true, the print statement is executed. As you can see, using parentheses to combine logical expressions can help make your code more readable and ensure that the expressions are evaluated in the correct order. That's it for this tutorial. Keep practicing and have fun coding.